highly disorganized. Hello. Oh, this cold is just the gift that keeps on giving. Well, it's not really a gift that keeps on giving, it's just the gift that keeps on staying exactly the same every day and doesn't get better. But it doesn't get worse particularly either, so I don't really know what's going on with it. I just have to live with it. Yesterday I had a little practice session with my fellow altos in my choir, those of them who could make it, and we had a little troubleshoot singing session in preparation for our concert on Thursday. I can't currently sing anything above a G above middle C, so yay. I mean, it's a good thing I'm an alto, but we do sing some stuff, above that note, so I'm really hoping that things are getting better. I'm doing all the, yes, Teak, do you want to come and talk to the camera? Come be a baby. Come be a baby. Hey, he's a baby. Who is a baby? Oh, does not want to be held. Yeah. Teak. What is it, Teak? Meow. Yeah, I mean, I'm doing all the things. Hydrating, steam, warm cups of tea, no caffeine, no alcohol, no smoking. There's I really can't do anything else. But the practice session yesterday was really fun. I'm really glad I did that. I organized that and we did that. We had a Christmas dinner in the evening with some of Andrew's friends, so we did that. That was fun too. I tried not to talk too much, and I'm that fun person who goes to the pub and just drinks cups of tea. Today's Sunday, and you saw the state of my desk. It's partly because I was clearing stuff from the windowsills. So you might have seen previously here in my little art corner, I had loads of stuff on the windowsill, and then here I had loads of books. And because of this weird, very nice but weird shaped window that we've got, the curtain doesn't cover it, so we had these blankets kind of covering the sides of the window, so that at least it wasn't super bright, especially in summer. And we've had that on there for, I want to say, years. It has been years, and they were completely soaked. It's probably because we haven't got the heating on very high, and the radiator in this room is a little bit broken and doesn't go up to full heat. So we've got a lot of condensation, and those blankets or things in front of the window were completely soaked. So I had to take them off. I cleaned everything, and now I haven't really decided what we're gonna do yet as a solution, but in any case, I'm not putting them back. I'm doing something else. But I need to put some stuff back onto the windowsills for now, just temporarily, so that I can kind of clear my desk, tidy my desk, and have a desk in order to do arty things. Plans for today are drink a lot of water, drink a lot of herbal tea, and not much else, to be honest. Vlog a little bit. I want to play some video games, maybe do some art. I haven't had breakfast yet, so yeah, I just want to have a super low-key day in which I don't have to do anything and hopefully get a bit better, but I'm not holding out any hope. it's a bit dark here because it's Sunday. It's one of those kind of days where I do a bunch of like domestic chores. Love Sundays. Not really. So I'm gonna clean the cat fountain. This is a Teak's water fountain, so I'm cleaning that. I'm gonna clean the cat litter. It's all about the cat, really. It's about tidying up after the cat. Yeah, I should probably do other domestic cleaning whilst I'm at it, but I'm not going to. No, so I'm gonna do these bits, and then afterwards I want to show you something exciting that I got. That doesn't even rhyme. Oh, look, it looks so Christmassy. So I got this advent calendar, exit advent calendar, which is really exciting. I'm a bit behind. We've only done day 1 and day 2, and it is currently the 11th of December. But I'm very excited. So it's like a story. You read a story, and then you open one of the windows, and then you have to solve clues, and then if you do it correctly, you get sent to the next correct window. So if you'll see, and if you'll notice that none of the windows are labeled, so you don't actually know which one is for the next day. You have to solve the clues correctly and check that you've done it correctly, and then you will know what the next window is. So we're currently on number 3. So I'm going to open number 3 and read the flavor text, and then we're gonna do some riddle solving, aren't we, Zeph? Mm-hmm. Right, let's have a look. So where are we? We're on day 3. Carefully tear out the calendar sheet before reading, so we're gonna do that. Okay.
Why do you tear it?
Because that's what it says. I'm a stickler for rules. It tells me that I need to do it. Wondering where you will find yourself next, you open the door. It's cold out in the village and you need to warm up. Please turn the page, then open door 3. Okay, we're gonna open door number 3. Would you like to open door number 3?
Of course I would.
All right, let's go for it. We will see the room with the suitcases. Oh yeah, it's a little hotel room. Cute. Oh yeah, so now we've got these 2 cards, riddle cards, and we have to basically solve the riddle somehow and figure out the correct code, and then we put the code in, and if it's correct, we will know the next door. But right now I have no idea. Like proper noobs, we didn't actually turn this sheet over, so we didn't realize. So we were trying to solve the clues without actually an integral piece of the information. There, and then down here, and then we need to compare the symbols, whether they are the same on here, which they are. So this is number 4. So now we get to write this on here. Yay, now we get to open door number 4. I am always just super impressed with just how clever the puzzles are. Anyway, we're gonna continue with a few more windows if we can solve them. Oh, I press the record button and I start coughing straight away. What have I been up to? Oh, Christmas cards. I love sending Christmas cards in theory, like the knowledge that I am sending them. And this is like the first year that we have sent them in the last 3 years. Because it's expensive, sending Christmas cards. Anyway, I digress. I like sending them in theory, but like in practice, I also still kind of enjoy the writing of them because I'm writing personal messages. Like I only send Christmas cards to people that I really want to send them to. Like I don't send them out of obligation. Andrew can do the obligation ones. I write personal messages. I like that. But then there's like mail merge and writing address labels and stuffing things in envelopes. You'd think I'd like stuffing things in envelopes, and I'm pretty good at it because I do it so often, but like, I don't know. It's not really how I want to be spending my Sunday. It feels like I'm adulting. I am being productive on my Sunday, doing something that I would like to get done, tick in the list, but I think it's making me grumpy because I am feeling like I'm not getting time to myself. Like, what have I done for myself today? The advent calendar, and that put me in a bad mood as well because I kept having to look at the hints because it was all like much too difficult. I think I need to go and like play a video game or something or read a book so that I really feel like I've done something for myself and not just done all of the stuff that doesn't get done during the week that I need to tick off my list. Yeah. Thanks for listening to me moan and whine and stuff. So it's like, Sunday night after a roast, just living my life, putting the kids down, cleaning the kitchen, look out the window, and it's snowing. Oh my god! It's quite rare for where we live. It is like actual snow. It is like several centimeters, and out the front there's people like having snowball fights. Yeah, my kids are already in bed, so no snowball fights.
They don't know anything about it.
They don't know anything about it. They're just gonna wake up to the slush tomorrow. But yeah, on that note, I am closing out the vlog. Bye. So you need to put your hand over the. No, don't press the button. You need to put your hand over the camera. Yeah, no, do it. You can close out the vlog.